What's up, YouTube? You're looking at an Ofna GTP2E. It's gonna be set up for speed runs. The reason I'm making these videos is because I want to be able to help others that may be trying to have the same endeavors. It's looking to set up a car, do these speed runs. I watched a lot of videos on YouTube from some of you guys that's already doing this stuff and been doing it for a while. And I really am. I'm really interested in learning the whole speed thing and you know uh, just overall enjoying the hobby. So first thing I'm gonna do is give you a brief explanation as to what I already have together, and maybe some things down here that you see that some of you guys have already tried and didn't work out. So if it is, um, you know, we can use this kind of stuff to help each other out. All right, first of all, I know my wiring job looks a mess so far. Some of this stuff out of the way so we can kind of see what's going on here. All right, I got my Castle Creations XL2. Got the BC Pro 20 amp BC. That is BC Pro 20 amp max 8S. All right. Secondly, we have this is what I'm using as a junction box, if you will, for my power. These gonna be battery leads. Ran duals using the Castle polarized connectors, 6.5 millimeter. The reason that I ran it like this is so that I have more options as far as parallel goes, or if I want to run a series, I just use one instead of. Cause I'm not the best at soldering, never have been. I do decent, but anytime I can minimize my time with solder, I'm gonna do it. So I think this right here, I think it will be okay. I don't see why it wouldn't. It's rated at let's see here if we can, rated at 175 amps at 600 volts. So I'm gonna be running anywhere from 4S to 8S. So I'm sure it should handle that no problem. It's kind of interesting. I mean, never seen anything like this used in a RC application. Got my speed controller coming on this side. Also, these around here so you can see what's laying under there. It's a little idea that I got from another guy off of YouTube, and I believe his name was Breaking Wind. Might have been Breaking Wind. Anyway, this is Poseidon 4900 microfarad cap bank. I started off with the Castle cap bank, and as you look over this car and notice everything on here is pretty much heavy duty, and that small cap pack just looked out of the way. I figured I need something with a little bit more punch, a little bit withstand a little bit longer current draw. So I decided to go with the Poseidon. All right, Oh, I'm sorry about the front end here. Front end is not even attached actually. I'm waiting on a CVD shaft for the middle. I'm gonna take the dog bones out. Actually, I already took one out for the rear. Let's see if I can zoom in. Let you guys see that. Maybe not. I can't. Let's see. All this stuff in the way here. Let's see what we got here. Like I said, this is my first video, so y'all guys bear with me. Can't see it, but I actually went with a Mugen part number MUGE0223 for that rear CVD shaft that connects the center spool to this rear diff. I think it was the factory one is 86 millimeters and the Mugen one was 78.5 millimeters, but it doesn't include the joint cap. So when you add the joint cap to it, put them side by side, they're identical, 86 millimeters overall. So what I'm gonna do on the front, because the one for the Mugen is it's too long for the front. So I found another part number that was right at 82.5 millimeters. And I'm gonna try it on the front. And I think with the overall length of it, it'll be right around 90 millimeters, which is exactly the length on the stock one. So I'm gonna try that. And I'll see how it works out. You know, I mean, everything else on the car, I got the CVDs in the rear. Got, of course, the front comes with CVDs. Let's see. Okay, got a steel Entity 42 spur. And oh, let's not forget what we got over here. We got a Castle fan, Poseidon 1515 2200 kV. And on that, I'm gonna be starting off with a 25 tooth pinion, just to kind of get a few shakedowns on the car. Once I get it together, check some temps, and just see where we're at. Basically, I need to set a baseline, so that's why I went with that spur and pinion combination. I got the stock one in a bag somewhere. I think it's 14, 15 tooth pinion, but I wasn't even gonna worry with it. So, oh yeah, since this XL2 comes with 8mm bullets, I went ahead and put the 8mm bullets onto the Poseidon motor leads. Got those soldered up, all heat shrink wrapped up, ready to go. Anything else of note? Oh yeah, running this Futaba BLS 471 S-Bus servo. BLS 471 SV servo. So I'm gonna give him a try, and I like the idea of the S-Bus system, so I'm gonna try it out and see how I like it. This plate right here is actually something that I seen pioneered by someone else. think his name was John Racer X. I seen he had a battery tray for an 8S setup or a parallel 3S or whatever. But he has an additional battery tray up here. And I actually have that battery tray. I need to do some custom fitting on it, but it's pretty much just gonna sit right up here like so. But not over to the side. It'll be directly in the middle like that. And I'm gonna whack that off and do a little trimming on it. Sand some of these nubs off on the bottom so she'll sit flat. And I'm gonna mount it using these motor mount brace top plate. It goes from the spare gear holder to the motor mount. Kind of ties that little structure there together. 4 screws. So I'm gonna be putting that battery tray up there. Let's see. Like I say, YouTube, you know, I'm just trying to bring y'all this stuff the best I can. Right now I'm using my Samsung Galaxy Note 4 to take these videos, and I'm just trying to work it out the best I can. See here if I got a small tripod deal. I know I'm getting long-winded. I'm gonna try to go ahead and explain everything else, and then we'll wrap this up. Alright, so additionals I have is this Poseidon 1527 car motor, 1500 kV. Poseidon brushless motor. And this is a fairly long can. I think it's gonna make excellent torque when I get ready to go to those even higher gear ratios. I think it'll pull it no problem. Good looking motor, good solid motor. Been seeing a lot of guys use them. I think they're gonna be pretty durable. Anyway, we're gonna try those out. Poseidon. And if any of you guys never bought anything from Poseidon or looked at anything, they send you some real nice, like some 6mm bullet connectors. The other side, the motor actually comes with 6mm bullets. But like I said, I changed those out and put the 8mm on it. Just cause the ESC, I didn't want to desolder the connectors on the ESC, so I went ahead and upgraded the motor leads to those. But anyway, last but not least, let me get this put back in here. Wait 1 second. Get that in there. Alright, Poseidon. Alright, so last but not least, oh yeah, I don't mind the balloons in the corner. I had a birthday on the 24th, so happy birthday, me. Wife got those for me. This is the package that this Futaba servo came in. BLS 471 SV, high voltage, S-Bus 2, PG car servo. And they give you a nice little plastic hard case with instructions, warranty paper. I think it's a let's see what we got here. says Futaba limited lifetime warranty. That's pretty nice. Always had good luck with Futaba products, so I'll probably continue to spend my money with them, around with them, until I figure out otherwise. It's my new radio system I'm gonna be using, a Futaba 4PX, brand new, hot off the market. Some places you can't even get it yet; they don't have it in stock. But I happened to acquire one. Now I'll open it up and give you guys for you guys that hadn't seen it, give you guys a little brief overview of what we got here. Get it out of the pack. Comes in the box with 4PX instruction manual. There's in there. It's all in the box. I did a lot of research on this radio. Back in 2012, 13, I was in the RC pretty good, but I was running nitro, and kind of had some things come up, and I got out of the hobby, and I had a 4PKS, not the R version, but the 4PKS. And it was a very nice radio. I liked it. So after I sold that, by me getting back into the hobby, I figured, hey, Futaba has a new radio out. I'll be interested in trying it. And I've already unboxed these guys and put batteries in it. So you can kind of see what we got going on here. Futaba T4PX. So it's got my name up there. I already programmed that in. It's got all your trims, real-time servo data. Real-time. Well, actually, it does display real-time servo data, but real-time control data. Like you got your steering, you got throttle. Nice radio, just a nice overall radio. I like it a lot. Nice, comfortable steering wheel. Good trigger, good smooth trigger. Trigger feels very nice. Also comes with a little multi-tool. The flathead screwdriver bit on the end. It's very nice. And also comes with some more screws, additional hardware, more tools, like a cover. Also comes with a okay, there it is. Hey, I forgot the most important part. This is the receiver. And on that receiver, it says R304SB TFHSS S-Bus 2. If I can get it to focus. There we go. S-Bus 2. So I think this system, this radio system, along with that S-Bus servo, I think it's gonna work out pretty good. So we're gonna give that a go. Has a optional drop down that you can use. I'll probably be using that because I like the drop steering setup. So I'll probably do that. another piece of hardware, optional parts. So yeah, I know I'm getting long-winded, so I'm gonna let y'all go. But yeah, this is what I got so far. Any questions? Hit me up. Rate, comment, subscribe. Signing out.